Hello everyone, welcome to Universe is Unique. In English vocabulary, word of the day is integrity. INTEGRITY. Integrity का मीनिंग होता है the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. ईमानदारी और दृढ़ नैतिकता. सत्यनिष्ठा. Having integrity means doing the right thing in a reliable way. सो इंटेग्रिटी का हिंदी मीनिंग होता है ईमानदारी, दृढ़ नैतिकता, सत्यनिष्ठा. Synonyms of integrity are honesty, morality and virtue. Antonyms of integrity are dishonesty, deceit and corruption. Now, example sentences. First, Alex has a reputation for integrity. And second, listen with curiosity, speak with honesty, act with integrity. Thank you so much for watching.